Before we get into the video, if you want to help support my page in a way that's super easy and quick, you can head over to my Instagram page. It's kaylakoupons, the same way that my channel is spelled, and watch my most recent video. It's on a L'Oreal hair color deal at Walgreens this week. This is a partnership video that I did with L'Oreal Paris, and you guys helping to engage, like, and comment, watching it all the way through helps me so much. It helps support my channel here on YouTube and helps me continue to be able to post these videos every single week. So if you have a second and you're willing to do that, if you leave that video a like and a comment and watch it, let me know in the comment section down below and I will be sure to thank you. Thank you guys so much for continuing to support my sponsored videos. Happy Sunday, you guys. So we are back at CVS for the second week of the CVS sales ad, and all of our CRTs did reset this week, including the 10 off 25 oral care CRT. So we're going to get into the new updated deals this week with new rebates, new coupons, and those reset CRTs. And I'm going to show you, even if you use some digital coupons from last week, what you can still do this week to score some really good deals using all of our reset CRTs and new rebates that we got. So with all that being said, let's get into the video. I will put the new deals and deal updates at the beginning of the video and then all the repeat stuff at the end of the video. We just got a super high value $10 off 2 digital coupon for the FIFA Dove Men Plus Care deodorants. So you can grab 2 of them at $9.59. They are buy one, get one 50% off. So 2 would total for $14.38. You'd pay $4.38 after the 10 off 2 digital coupon, get back $2 and extra bucks for buying 2, making both of them just $2.38. In case you need Dove body wash, we also got a 10 off 2 for the FIFA for the body washes for men and women's as well. But because they're not on a good promotion this week, I'm going to hold on to this one for a future week when the deal is better. I want to go over a couple of more ways that you can use your $5 lotion CRT. So you can grab 3 of the Nivea tins at $1.69, totaling $5.07. Use that $5 CRT that does attach to both the white and the blue, making all 3 of them just 7 cents. If your store has the Eucerin price at $6.99 for the 5 ounce, you can grab one and use the $5 CRT along with a $3 digital coupon for Eucerin, and you'd pay nothing. At my store, they're $7.79, so with those coupons, it'd be 79 cents. These CoverGirl brow pencils are $6.29, and we do have a $4 CRT this week, along with a new $3 digital coupon. So using those two, I believe if you grab other items, it will not adjust down, making it a 71-cent moneymaker. Otherwise, you can grab one of the CoverGirl mascaras for $7.79, and with the $7 in coupons, it'd be 79 cents. In case you used your oral care coupons last week, we do have a new scenario this week. You can grab 2 of the Colgate Total on sale for $4.99 each and buy 2, get back a $4 extra buck and use a 4 off 2 digital coupon that we just got. You can also grab 2 of the Oral-B toothbrushes that are $6.49 and buy 2, get back a $4 extra buck. And we have a new $3 off 2 digital coupon. And then I'm going to pair those first 2 deals with the CVS Health toothbrushes that are $1.49 and buy one, get one 50% off. For this scenario, these 5 would total $25.19. Using the 10 off 25 CRT, our new one from this week that expires on June 20th, the 4 off 2 for the Colgate and the 3 off 2 for the Oral-B, we'd be left to pay $8.19, earning back $8 in extra bucks, 4 for the Colgate and 4 for the Oral-B, making all 5 items just 19 cents. Otherwise, you can do any of the scenarios from last week as well. All those coupons are still valid. If your store participates in the 98% rule, you can do the spend 30, get 10 extra care big deal, grabbing 2 of the Tide liquid detergent, totaling $29.98, and use a $3 digital coupon for one of them, and a $3 coupon 24 coupon for the other. You pay $23.98, get back your $10 in extra bucks, making both of them $13.98. Also, heads up, for the spend 30 get 10 deal, we did just get a $2 off 2 digital coupon for both the Scott toilet paper and paper towels that are both on sale for $10.99 and a part of the spend 30 get 10 in case you want to do this deal. We have a great moneymaker deal on the L'Oreal toner that's $8.59. It is on promotion for buy one and you get back a $5 extra buck. So grabbing that, you can use this $5 digital coupon that we have that is attaching. You'd pay $3.59. And then after the $5 and extra bucks back, it would be free plus a $1.41 moneymaker. We also got a $5 CRT that works on a bunch of different skincare products, including Cetaphil. You can grab the Gentle Cleansing Bar at $5.49. Using that $5 CRT would make it just 49 cents. Okay, next getting into items that you can pair with the 10 off 25 oral care event CRT. The first item that you can pair in is the Tom's of Maine mouthwash that is buy one, get one 50% off, and buy 2 and you get back $2 in extra bucks. You can use a 4 off 2 digital coupon, which would leave you to pay $6.18, and after the $2 in extra bucks back, it would make 2 of them just $4.18 or $2.09 each, or of course cheaper with the 10 off 25 CRT. If you want, you can also do the deal on the Tom's of Maine toothpaste. It'll just be a little bit more expensive because those are $7.99 regular price, and they'd be buy one, get one 50% off, buy 2, get a $2 extra buck, and the same 4 off 2 would apply. The Colgate mouthwash are $4.99 on sale, and buy two and you get back a $4 extra buck. And we do have a 4 off 2 digital coupon, so after coupon and extra buck, it would make two of them $1.98 or 99 cents each. The Colgate Sensitive toothpaste are buy two and you get back a $5 extra buck. They're $6.29 each, and you can use a separate 4 off 2 digital coupon for Colgate toothpaste. You'd pay $8.58, get back your $5 extra buck, making two of them $3.58. You can also grab the Colgate Optic White, the more expensive advanced variety, that are $7.59. Buy two, get back a $5 extra buck. Same promotion as the Sensitive, and the 4 off 2 digital coupon also applies to these. That same 4 off 2 digital coupon also applies to the Colgate Max Fresh. That's $4.79, and buy two and you get back $2 an extra buck, so you could throw this into your 10 off 25 oral care scenario as well. The Original toothpaste also works for the 10 off 25 CRT, and we do have a $1.50 Ibotta rebate. It's $3.79 regular price. So after that $1.50 back on Ibotta, it would make it just $2.29. And if you do not already have Ibotta, I'll have a link in the description box down below, and in the pinned comment, you'll get a $5 bonus when you sign up with my link and submit for your first Ibotta offer like this Original offer. The Oral-B floss picks are $4.69, and we have a $1 digital coupon, so that'd make one of them just $3.69. It'd be a good filler item for a 10 off 25 scenario. Also, if you are brand loyal to Arm & Hammer, they are buy one, get one free this week, so that would be a good deal to throw in with the 10 off 25 CRT. Okay, now getting into a couple of moneymaker scenarios for using our 10 off 25 oral care CRT. This first one, you can grab two of the Colgate Optic White Advance at $7.59 each, and two of the Colgate Total mouthwash at $4.99 each. These two different deals, these 4 items would total $25.16. With the 10 off 25 CRT, the 4 off 2 Colgate toothpaste digital, and the 4 off 2 Colgate mouthwash digital, you'd be left to pay $7.16. And then we'd earn back $9 in extra bucks for doing these two deals, $5 for the Optic White Advanced, and $4 for the total. And that would make your final cost free plus a $1.84 moneymaker. Another way that you could do the deal is grabbing two of the Orajel. I grabbed two because they are buy one, get one 50% off as well, and the Ibotta rebate is up to a limit of 5. Two of the Colgate Sensitive toothpaste at $6.29 each, and two of the Colgate Total mouthwash. These 6 items would total $28.24. We can use the 10 off 25 CRT, the 4 off 2 Colgate toothpaste digital for the Sensitive, and the 4 off 2 for the Colgate mouthwash, and we'd be left to pay $10.24. We'd earn back $9 in extra bucks, 5 for the Colgate Sensitive and 4 for the Colgate Total. And then we get back $3 from Ibotta, $1.50 for each of the Orajel, making our final cost free plus a $1.75 moneymaker. Garnier Fructis is on sale for 2 for $9, and when you buy 2, you earn back $3 in extra bucks. And we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon, so you'd pay $6, get back the $3 in extra bucks, making your final cost $3 for 2 or $1.50 each. The Garnier Whole Blends is on sale for $4.78 each, and they're buy 2 and you get back a $3 extra buck, plus we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon for the Whole Blends. So after the coupon and extra buck back, it would make each one just $1.78. The Pantene Hair Care are buy one, get one 40% off, and they're a part of the spend 30 and you get back $10 in extra bucks for the summer promotion. So what I'm going to do is grab a total of 4 of these. 2 of them would total $10.06 with the buy one, get one 40% off, so 4 of them would total $20.12. I have a 4 off 20 Pantene CRT that one of my accounts got this week, and we have a 5 off 3 digital coupon. So I'd be left to pay $11.12 for 4 of them, or of course it's going to be cheaper paired in with my spend 30 get 10 scenario that I'm going to show you in just a second. Irish Spring Body Wash is buy one, get one 40% off, and buy 2 and you get back $3 in extra bucks. So you can grab 2 of them at $7.59 each, totaling $12.14, and use a 4 off 2 digital coupon. You'd pay $8.14, get back your $3 in extra bucks, making 2 of them just $5.14. Otherwise, you can grab 2 of the soft soap body wash at $6.59 each, totaling $13.18. They are buy 2 and you get back $4 in extra bucks, and you can use that 4 off 2 digital coupon on these as well. You pay $9.18, get back your $4 in extra bucks, making 2 of them $5.18. And if you want, you can also do the soft soap, hand soap refill deal. They are $8.49, buy 2 and you get back $4 in extra bucks, and the 4 off 2 digital coupon works on these as well. The Dial hand soap are $3.69, and buy one, get one 40% off, and buy 2 and you get back $3 in extra bucks. So you can grab 2 totaling $5.90, you'd pay that, and after the $3 in extra bucks back, it would make 2 of them just $2.90. Okay, next we're going to get into some razor deals. The Gillette and Venus cartridges are buy one, get one 50% off, and spend 30, get 10. You can grab one of these Gillette at $21.49 and one of these Venus at $18.49. We have $5 digital coupons for the cartridges. These two would total $30.73 with the buy one, get one 50% off sale. And then using a $5 digital for the Venus as well as for the Gillette, we'd be left to pay $20.73, earning back our $10 in extra bucks would make both packs of cartridges just $10.73. If you're like me and you like the 5 blade of the Venus, you can also grab these ones that are the regular Venus Extra Smooth that are $22.79. They're also with the buy one get one 50% off sale price and the spend 30 get 10. And then with that, one of the Gillette Fusion 5s that are $22.79 as well. These two would total $34.18 with the $5 digital for the Venus and for the Gillette. You'd be left to pay $24.18, getting back your $10 in extra bucks. Would make both of these 5 blade cartridge refills just $14.18. The Gillette and Venus disposable razors are on sale for $6.99 each, and they're buy two and you get back $4 in extra bucks. So you can grab one of the Gillette Mach 3, those are the most expensive ones that are on sale for $6.99, and one of the Venus Sensitive that are $10.29 regular price, also on sale for $6.99. So one of each of those would total $13.98. We have a $3 digital coupon for the Gillette and for the Venus. Using those $6 in digital coupons, you'd pay $7.98, getting back your $4 extra buck, would make your final cost $3.98 for two or $1.99 each. I wanted to show you a scenario combining the cartridge deal with the disposable deal. As long as you have a 6 off 24 Venus CRT, this will end up being a super good deal. I have that on one of my accounts, so I am going to do this scenario this week. If you are wanting the Venus to ring up full price and the Gillette to ring up as 50% off when they are the same price item, make sure you ring up the one that you want to be 50% off first. That's a hack that I learned from couponing and shopping a lot at CVS. So these 4 items would total $48.16. Using the 6 off 24 Venus CRT, the $5 digital for the Gillette cartridges, and the $5 digital for the Venus cartridges, and then the $3 digital for the disposables for Venus and the $3 for the Gillette disposables, we'd be left to pay $26.16. We get back the $10 extra buck for the spend 30 get 10 deal and the $4 in extra bucks for buying 2 of the disposable razors, making our final cost for all 4 razor items just $12.16. The Axe deodorant are on sale for buy one get one 50% off and buy 2 and you get back $2 in extra bucks. At my store they are $6.99 each, so you can grab 2 totaling $10.48 and use a 7 off 2 digital coupon. You pay $3.48, get back your $2 in extra bucks, and that would make both of them just $1.48 for both, which is a great deal. And if your store has these priced cheaper, it would just make it an even better deal for you. Okay, so now getting into our spend 30 get back a $10 extra buck scenario, like I mentioned before with the Pantene at $6.29 and buy one get one 40% off, grabbing 4, and then one of the Charmin at $9.99 on sale. So these 5 items would total $30.11. You can use a $1 digital for the Charmin, the 4 off 20 CRT for the Pantene, and the 5 off 3 digital coupon for the Pantene, and you'd be left to pay $20.11, earning back the $10 in extra bucks, would make our final cost just $10.11 for all 5 items. I do have a $5 OTC payment coupon from PG Brand Saver from submitting my P&G receipts. So I think I'm going to do this scenario this week and use that to make it even $5 cheaper. Another spend 30 get 10 scenario that you can do is the Bounty paper towels on sale for $15.99 and the Tide liquid on sale for $14.99. So these two would total $30.98. We have a $3 digital coupon for the Tide and a $2 digital for the Bounty. You pay $25.98, get back your $10 extra buck, making both items $15.98. The Palmolive dish soap are on sale for $2.99 and they're buy 2 and you get back $2 in extra bucks. So you can grab 2 totaling $5.98 and use a 75-cent off of 1 digital coupon. You pay $5.23, get back your $2 in extra bucks, making both of them $3.23. We have a great deal on Nature Valley granola bars. They are on sale for $1.99 each. We have 75-cent Ibotta rebates up to a limit of 5. Plus we have 550 points back when you buy 2 General Mills items, including the Nature Valley on Fetch. That's about 55 cents back on 2. And we have an offer for 50 cents back, 500 points when you spend 5 on Nature Valley products. So really, really great rebate offer stacking Ibotta and Fetch. If you do not already have Fetch, I'll have it linked in the description box down below and in the pinned comments. You can get a $4 bonus when you sign up. These smaller bags of Frito-Lay chips are on sale for 2 for $4.50, and we have a 75-cent Ibotta rebate on 2, making 2 bags just $3.75. These small packs of Carefree liners are buy one get one 50% off and buy 2 and you get back $2 in extra bucks. So grabbing 2 would total $2.98. You'd pay that, get back your $2 in extra bucks, making both of them just 98 cents or 49 cents each. We also have another gift card promotion this week for spend $100 on select gift cards and you earn back $20 in extra bucks, and you can mix and match gift card quantities and types. Included are Applebee's, Domino's, Lowe's, DoorDash, and more. So that's a really great deal if you want to pick it up. I did do 4 transactions today that ended up having a net cost of just $7 rolling, starting with $0 in extra bucks. So for the first transaction, I did the 10 off 25 oral care CRT deal with the Colgate Total Toothpaste, the Oral-B toothbrushes, and the CVS toothbrushes, and then the Nivea tins. And what was the last thing I grabbed? I also grabbed the CoverGirl brow pencil. So all my coupons came off. The CoverGirl did give overage and I paid $7.55 and then got back $8 in extra bucks. So that was a moneymaker of like 45 cents with the out of pocket versus the extra bucks back. And then I'm rolling the $8 in extra bucks into transaction 2. Rolled those $8 in extra bucks into the Gillette and Venus disposable deal. So paid nothing after my coupons and $8 in extra bucks and then earned back $4 in extra bucks to use in transaction 3. So a net cost of about $4. Then I rolled those $4 in extra bucks into the Dove deal, paid 38 cents after the coupon and $4 in extra bucks, got back $2 in extra bucks. So that made this net cost just about $2.38. And then I'm rolling this $2 in extra bucks into my last transaction. Used those $2 in extra bucks on a Nature Valley bar, paid nothing, and then got back 75 cents on Ibotta. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this week's CVS deals video. If you did, please leave this video a like and comment down below what you're picking up this week. And make sure to watch, like, and comment on my L'Oreal hair color video on Instagram and let me know down below.